We respect your relation with India. That's perfectly fine. We also want to build very strong relations. Thank you very much for your invitation to visit your great country. And I'll be very happy to be there because I've been to your country since ages. I've not been there. So I must go to Moscow and refresh my good old memories of my younger days. Your Excellency, I'd like to also thank you for supporting Pakistan and trying to have a balancing act, I think, in the region. I know and I must say that we respect your relation with India. That's perfectly fine. But we also want to build very strong relations. And these relations will be supplementary and complementary for the good and for the progress and prosperity of the region. In that, I find in you a very dynamic